Go, guys.
Is this a recording?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm Twilight Town Valentine Roxas.
And I'm Organization 13 Roxas, because I'm epic.
We're about to struggle.
Yes, because we're epic.
When do I throw the ball?
When we hit each other.
Ah.
We did hit each other.
Well, fine. I got another one.
Woo! Oh. I'm still recording.
We said no head.
I wasn't trying. I lost
Can you zoom on this?
Tried.
No.
The kid.
I hit you.
I hit you like 3 times. Amazing.
Ow.
I can't see you. You're in the dark.
The darkness!
Wait, that counted as a hit?
Foul.
Would that count as a hit?
Ah!
This looks painful.
Oh, my blade!
Oh God.
I got it!
I got you!
But I got both of them!
But I got you!
But I got both of them!
I got you!
You hit me after I got it!
Am I done recording?
Yes.